Wishing you all the very best for upcoming ISA entrance exam this Sunday. Stay calm, stay focused, and give your best. Hope we will meet in ISI this year. Best of luck.
Hi everyone. First of all, I wish everyone all the best for the upcoming ISI exam which is tomorrow. And सबसे importantly कि जिन लोगों का सेंटर रिलोकेट हुआ था, जो लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, I hope you guys have reached your destination safely. ठीक है, and guys, to every one of you, I have just one piece of advice कि the calmer you are, the better you're going to perform. Panic try करो कि बिल्कुल ना हो. Now again, it's easier said than done. सो अगर पैनिक हो भी जाता है, ठीक है, यू फील कि यार मुझसे सोचा नहीं जा रहा, तो पेपर को 2 मिनट रोक देना, हैव सम वाटर, ठीक है, टेक सम डीप ब्रेथ्स एंड उसके बाद पेपर कंटिन्यू करना. आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू आर गोइंग टू बी इन अ मच कामर पोजीशन आफ्टर दिस. ठीक है, एंड यू गाइस हैव वर्कड रियली हार्ड. ठीक है, बीट यूट्यूब, बीट आवर बैचेस, आई हैव सीन ऑल ऑफ यू वर्किंग, सो मेनी डिस्कशंस, सो मेनी टेस्ट्स you have given, class attendance and everything. I'm super proud of you all. Okay, and I wish you all the best for Kiana Sunday ka exam.
Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Kullu. Hope you know me. So, as you know, the exam day is approaching. In the last few days, don't try any newer problems. Just keep practicing the old problems, keep visiting the old concepts, and keep practicing the PYQ, the tomato, etc. Keep your fundamentals correct, and so that you don't have any problem in your T day. Hope to see many of you from you in the ISA campus, Kolkata campus, and all the best for the exam. All the best. Signing off.
Hi everyone, I just want to wish you all the very best for the upcoming ISA exam. You have worked very hard, you have solved a lot of, in fact, countless problems, and you have pushed your limit. Now it's your time to shine. But do remember, stay calm in the exam, read every question carefully, and trust your preparation. We are very sure you'll be able to clear with flying colors, right? And in fact, no matter what happens, we here at Vedantu, we are very proud of you for the effort that you have put in. Just go crack the exam, just rock the exam, right? All the very best once again for your ISA exam. Thank you.
All the best, guys. Be confident and give your best.
Hi everyone, I am right now in ISI Kolkata. I came here for some work, and unfortunately I'm not able to join you guys, but here is me wishing you all the best for your exams tomorrow. And look at this beautiful campus. So if you're writing BStat, then this campus is eagerly waiting for you, and if you're writing BMath, then I will see you in Bangalore. Hope to see you soon, and hopefully you will get success in whatever you wish to do. And yeah, just focus on whatever you've done, calm yourself down, and just think about how interesting the exam experience is going to be. This is not going to be your typical competitive exam paper. You're going to encounter new problems, you're going to solve new problems, and you're going to dedicate 4 hours of one day completely to just solving new problems. Think about the exam as a fun experience. It will make it so much better. All the best, and do well everyone. I'm waiting for you.
Shakari, this is for ISA entrance exam aspirants this year. So just some advices from my side. First, read the whole question paper for 5 minutes and then start with your strong topic. And suppose you are stuck in some question for say more than 5 minutes, then just skip it and come back to that question after you have attempted all the other questions. And keep putting your ideas on the paper when you are attempting some question, because that is very important for partial marks. And it should not be like you have finished the question on rough work but you don't have time to finish writing the proof on paper. Just keep putting whatever ideas you get on the paper while you are making progress in some question. And most importantly, stay calm throughout the paper, and all the very best from my side.
Hi all. So wishing you all the very best for the upcoming exam ISI 2025 May 11th. So it is a big day. बहुत सारे बच्चों का ये सपना होता है और ये सपना बहुत सारे बच्चे 2 साल से 3 साल से 4 साल से देखते हैं to get into the prestigious Indian Statistical Institute कोलकाता और बैंगलोर. And this is the day. बहुत मेहनत की है, हमारे साथ बहुत सारे बच्चे अटैच्ड हैं पिछले 2 सालों से जो ISI का सपना देख रहे हैं. हम भी उनके साथ उनको ISI पहुंचाने का सपना देख रहे हैं. The team has worked very hard, especially Rajit sir, who has taken upon himself that जितने भी बच्चे हमारे साथ अटैच्ड हैं उनको कोई भी दिक्कत ना हो, छोटी से छोटी चीज़, and he has worked upon it. बहुत सारे सेशंस, बहुत सारे मोटिवेशन सेशंस, and finally the day has come. So perform to your best potential. Perform to your best potential. This is my only hope. And again, no matter how your exam goes, come out with a huge smile on your faces. So all the best. And मैं नहीं, यहाँ पर जो ISI के प्रोफेसर हैं, प्रोफेसर मलय भट्टाचार्य, इन्होंने भी आपके लिए लिंक्डइन के ऊपर एक पोस्ट डाला है. सो न्यू एकेडमिक बिल्डिंग एट इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट कोलकाता adjacent to this beautiful pond is getting ready to welcome new students. Give your very best in ISI entrance examination on 11th May to enjoy the classes begin here soon. So all the best guys, the entire ecosystem is with you and wishing you all the best. So do well and make us proud. God bless you.